Hello everyone, so this is a tutorial. So I'm logged into Microsoft Office.com. I am using Office 365. Once I'm logged in, I'm taken to this page and I can see that OneNote is listed here. So I can click on OneNote from here. Also, to access OneNote, you can also click on the app launcher here and also click OneNote from here. Another way that you can do that also is go to OneDrive and click on New and click on OneNote. So those are the ways that you can access OneNote. Now this is my OneNote and I have 3 notebooks here. So I'm going to click and create a new notebook. I'm going to click on New. I'm going to type in a name for my notebook. Click on Create. So this is the interface of OneNote, and the name of my notebook is listed here, and it's also listed here. And if I click on the drop down menu, it shows me the rest of my notebooks, and I can add a notebook from here also. If I need to create a new notebook, I can just click on it and create one. Now there are 2 panels here. There's Add Section and Add Page. So I'm going to add a section and I'm just going to click Add Section. I'm going to type a name for the section. I'm going to type Meeting, click OK, and it's here. It automatically creates an untitled page. So I'm going to name this Monday. I'm going to create another page. I can click Add Page here, or I can just right click and select New Page here. Type a name. I'm going to type Tuesday. Now I have a section called Meeting, and I have these pages listed as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'm going to create another section, and I can right click here and select New Section and type a name. Click OK. I'm going to create another section and call it Work. Now I can change the color of these, the name of the pages. I can also make it bold and also change the font and also the size of the font. Now I need to start adding text into my pages. So just click anywhere with the mouse and start typing. I'm gonna type agenda. You want to click enter. I am going to insert a picture here, and on top click insert and select from file. You want to choose file and select the picture. Click insert and the picture is here. Also there are handles around the picture, and you can just hold it with the mouse and you can adjust the size. You can also move around the text and the picture. You can just move the mouse here and just hold it, and you can just move it around, and the text is in the same box as the picture. Now if I right click on the picture, I get a menu here where I can crop it, where I can shrink it, and where I can grow it. So if I click on shrink, it gets smaller. Click on grow, and also crop. And that's how you can add a picture. Now in the sections, these colors can be changed. So just hover the mouse over and just right click, and there's a section color, and you can choose whatever color you would like. So just right click, section color, and the color is changed. Now I can highlight this name, which is a heading, and I also get a menu here. I can also click here and select the type of heading, and also you have all these where you can select bold, italic, you can underline it, and you can highlight it. Now these names here in the section panel can be moved, and also the add pages panel, these can be moved. So if I want planning to be on top, I can just select it and just move it up. Also with the pages, I can do that. Now I'm going to insert a PDF document here. I want to click on insert, and I'm going to insert file printout. So I want to click on file printout, choose file, and I'm going to select the PDF document, click insert. The PDF document is inserted as a printout. It also has an attachment here. Now this can also be moved around. Now I can insert a table here. Just click on insert, select table, and you can just select the table, and you can also adjust it. And you can type in and create your own table. And you have a menu here. You can select row, column, you can delete, you can also shade. Now I can also record an audio here. If I just need to go to insert, click on audio. It wants to use your microphone, so click allow, and it is recording right now. And you can see the menu here. There's stop, it's recording right now. It tells you the minutes and the seconds. And when you're done, click on stop. And this is a live audio. So if you want to record an audio live, you can do that here, and you can embed it in OneNote. So one of the features of OneNote is that you can insert your calendar meetings from Microsoft Outlook. So if I click on Insert, click on Meeting Details, it shows up here. So once I double click here, it shows up here. So that's how you insert your Microsoft Outlook into OneNote. Now you can also draw on the space here on a page. If you look on the top menu, click on Draw, and you can select a pen, and it gives you the color, whatever color. Here is the thickness of the pen, so you want to click on that, and you can choose whichever one. I'm going to click on that. And you can just draw. And to erase it, click on Erase and just move the mouse along it, and it's erased. So you can copy and paste also from Microsoft Word document or from the web. You can just copy and you can paste. You will have to use Control V to paste. Also, you can paste a link, say for example from a YouTube channel. So I have YouTube open here. I'm going to copy the link. So if I hit Control and V, and I'm going to hit enter, and the video is just embedded in OneNote. So also you can move this around. So this is a nice feature, just to embed a YouTube video in OneNote. Now you can create a to-do list, and I'm going to show you how to add tags, which is this. So to create a to-do list, you can just click on the tags menu and click on to do. Click enter. Now you can select tags, and there's a whole list of them. There's important, there's a whole list, so you can choose whichever one you would like. Click on the question mark. I can choose more than one. So I can click all these. So this is very handy. You can check when it's done. So in OneNote, you can also dictate, and the icon is here. It's under the home, and dictate is here. Just click on the microphone. You must have a microphone. Click on dictate if you do not feel like typing. So I'm going to click on dictate. Today is the meeting, and it will be taking place in the conference room. That's how you use the dictate in OneNote, and this is really a great feature. Now you can share your notebook also. On the right side you can click the share button, but also you can go to OneDrive, click on documents, and this is the notebook I want to share. I just need to highlight this and click share, and now you have a menu. Anyone with the link can edit. These are the permission, and you can choose specific people. So I'm going to choose specific people, allow editing, and just insert the email address of the person and click on send. You can also type in a message here, and also if you want you can also create a link. You can also share from here. Click on the share button. Now you can change the permissions here. When you're done, click apply and enter the email address and type a message and click send also. You can also go to file and share. So those are the ways that you can share your notebook with someone. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.